Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to upload multiple expanded text ads into your Google Ads account using Google Ads Editor. So here we have 3 ads already written up, all in different ad groups. The important headlines to have here would be your campaign, your ad group, your headlines, 1, 2, and 3, description 1 and 2, and your final URL. To get started, I actually went into my Google Ads editor and created a campaign. A lot of times I like to do this first instead of just creating a new campaign from Excel into editor, just because a lot of times you're gonna have the same targeting, you're gonna have a lot of the same negatives, maybe your bid strategy. But anyways, it's just basically taking a shell of another campaign, copy and pasting, change the campaign name to the new campaign you're trying to create, and just going in and deleting all those ad groups. That way it just saves a lot of time and configuration, things like that. So we're gonna go back to our Excel sheet, copy all of these ads, and go into your editor menu and click on make multiple changes here. Sometimes it actually won't say that, so also just be careful about that. Sometimes your menus will be different sizes like this and it disappears into this little icon. But anyways, you can go ahead. Oh yeah, and before you do that, you're actually gonna go down here. I actually make this mistake like every now and again, but it's easy to see. You just have to make sure that you click on expanded text ads. You actually don't have to have anything selected here just because on your Excel sheet, you're already telling the upload where to go, campaign, what ad group. So you don't have to worry so much about what you have selected up on the top left menu, but you do have to make sure that you have expanded text ads selected. Otherwise, let's see, like if I have ad group and I configured my Excel sheet for expanded text ads and I paste it, you're going to quickly see that nothing imports here. And so that's one way to tell that, oh shoot, maybe I have the wrong, item selected. Anyways, let's just go back down to expanded text ads, click on the icon, Control V to paste that data or the ads that we have written over. And I like to quickly QA this, even though, I QA it in the Excel sheet to make sure all the headlines are correct. Because again, if there's a typo here, it's not going to import correctly here. And you'll have to go in and select what that is if it doesn't import correctly. But as we can see, everything that we have written out, transferred over correctly. So we're just going to go ahead and click process. Oh yeah, and before you click process, because we have those headlines, we're going to make sure that we're selecting my data includes columns for campaigns and or ad groups. Otherwise, we would have to manually select, and that's not what we want to do here. We have everything configured, what campaign, what ad group, have that selected and click process. And another step to QA, I had in mind that I had no ad groups in this campaign before. I had 3 ads written for 3 separate ad groups. So here it's telling me that I have 3 ad groups added and 3 expanded text ads, which is exactly what we want. So finish and review changes. It's going to highlight in blue what's proposed. Quickly look over that and go ahead and just keep. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, uploading multiple expanded text ads. I hope the tips I gave you along the way really just help you QA your own work and really just make the process a lot smoother for you. Other than that, thanks for watching.